We have received these 50 kits now. You can see these are in all 50, and here is atta also. So it will be packed today itself by volunteers, and it will be ready by dispatch from tomorrow morning, that is 22nd of May 2021. Here you go. Here they are preparing. These are volunteers doing the work rigorously. And you know, these are the sanitizers which are being put 200 ml in each pack, and these are being readied. So these are the raw packages that we have got delivered from the shop, along with these bags. And after we put in sanitizer, we pack it like this: a sealed pack and a waterproof packaging. Now, after packaging these ration kits into seal packed and waterproof packaging, the stickers are being put which mentions the contents of the packet. Here you can see the sticker is there. It has the content of the package, and then the sponsor's name on top, and the facilitator Awake and Alive Foundation here in Delhi, as we have already told you. So these are being labeled with the content, and when we make a confirmation call that they have received the ration kit, we ask them to verify that they have got all the material that has been written on these kits. So we are taking utmost care that they receive all the products, all the contents of this package, and this is verified, like this is confirmed once the kit is delivered. Now, while we dispatch the kits, these are the kits being loaded. First, you see this is the cover with branding, and now it's being put in a big bag along with the atta being loaded on the motorcycle. So they are going to deliver the products to people at this hour also. Happy to help always. Now the system of distribution works like we have like whenever we get a request on our number that we share, we ask them to fill an online form which is on this link. I will share this link in the description. And once they fill in the details, we ask them to fill the detail in the form, and then we get that data on the Google form, as I told you. Like we get that data like this, and then we call them to actually understand the need. What is the need actually, and how many people are in the family. After understanding everything, then we dispatch. We dispatch that through certain means. I am going to share a screenshot here. You can see that we use this application also, and along with that we also ask volunteers to deliver it, and then once it's delivered, like we make a confirmation call, and when we get this sort of message from people, we are actually satisfied that our work that we have been doing is correctly done, and we rather make a call also to people to confirm the delivery, because sometimes we use a courier service. So that's about it for right now.